What's up, everyone? In this video, I'm going to talk about some trades I took on SPY today. I'm currently up over 4,000 on the day. But before we get started with this video, be sure that you subscribe to my channel, click the thumbs up button, and click that bell icon so you do not miss out on any upcoming videos. As you can see, I have my charts bare for this because I want to talk more about price action in this recap than I usually do. So let's just get right into this. First trade I took was up around this 435 resistance. If you do have indicators up, that prior day close was there. Come up. I gave this a try here once we pulled back down below that area I was watching, the level I was watching. Once the ass caught back below it, I went short. Caught this move down here. Okay. Nice move down. Got out of my trade for a nice scalp. Tend to scalp when we have big meetings and such like we did today. Data, all that good stuff. So caught the scalp here with the put options. They actually moved nice off this trade. The 0 DTEs were a little weird acting today, but once we caught this push down here, they did move. After this, I switched to next day expiration. They was moving much better. I tend to trade same day expiration the first 2 hours, but today they were just moving weird because of the meetings and stuff, so I decided to go with the next day expiration. Second trade I took, we broke above this, right? So I said, okay, I'm going to switch my my game plan. I want to see a pullback to this area. Didn't quite get the pullback I wanted. So when this candle here formed, I like the way we're looking, almost very similar to a green hammer. I was watching price action alone. Got in on this candle here, took the move up. I did trim here because I was hesitant of breaking that. Come back down. I ended up right at break even. Maybe I lost a little bit on this trade. I managed it well though. Another trade I took was right here. I went long again. Once we had this big wick down, this candle form, got in calls again. Added a little more down here. My stop loss was a break below this candle here. Typically when I'm taking a reversal candle, I keep my stop loss below the previous low. Okay, previous candle low. Got in, averaged down a little here, then caught the move up. Decent size on this trade, so it was a nice trade for me. Definitely made back my gains, then some. And that's basically it for the day. When I'm looking for price action, what I'm watching, especially on reversals, I'll go through this again so to sink in. I like to see nice long wick downs, right? Every candlestick has something to tell us, right? Long wick down, not a real high volume push down, right? Low volume, long wick down. Then we got a continuation to the upside, and it worked out perfectly. Our ideal trim level would probably be right in this area here. I could have possibly held for that move up to hit a nice price target here to allow for the proper risk to reward. But like I said, it was a big meeting day. I like to get in and lock in my profits. I'm up over 4,000 on the day. I'm up very nice on this week. All green days. I'm very happy. All my hard work is paying off well. I love to see it, but I'm still just as hungry as I always was. Plenty of room at the top for us all too. Let's do this together. Let's make this second half of the year count, okay? That's all I have for this video. I appreciate you all for watching, and I'll see you next time.